In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription in SamCart, whether you're wrapping up a trial or simply no longer need the service. I'll walk you through the exact screens to visit, what each option means, and how to make sure the cancellation is finalized with confidence. First, head into your account settings. This is the gear icon you'll typically find near the top or side of your dashboard. From there, open the billing section. This is where all of your active plans and payment details live, so it's the right place to review the subscription you want to end. Next, locate the subscription you want to stop and click Manage. This opens the controls for that specific plan. In the Manage panel, look for the option labeled Cancel My Subscription and click it. You'll be prompted to share a reason for canceling. Pick the reason that best fits your situation. This helps the provider understand feedback trends, but it won't affect your ability to cancel. Now you'll see two cancellation choices. The first is Cancel Immediately. Choose this if you want your subscription to end right away with no future charges. With this option, access typically stops at once, and your billing stops immediately, so you won't be charged again. The second option is Cancel at End of Billing Period. Select this if you've already paid for the current cycle and want to keep access until that period finishes. Your plan will continue until the end date, but it won't renew after that, and no future charges will occur. Once you've chosen the option that fits your needs, confirm the cancellation. The system will usually ask you to confirm one more time to prevent accidental clicks. Carefully review the summary on screen so you're clear on whether the cancellation is immediate or scheduled for the period's end. After you confirm, you should see a clear on-screen message indicating the subscription has been canceled. If you selected immediate cancellation, your access should stop right away. If you chose to end at the billing period's close, you'll remain active until that date and then roll off automatically without renewal. That's it. Your subscription is now canceled. By going to Settings, then Billing, selecting Manage, choosing Cancel My Subscription, picking your reason, selecting either immediate cancellation or the end of period option, and confirming, you've completed the process from start to finish with no future charges beyond what you've already selected.